Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Rasmus and I'm a jewelry product developer at the Bradford Exchange. Today I wanted to share with you the celebrations of the year collection. This is a really great bracelet collection that I was inspired by my mom, who was a teacher. She always used to dress up with fun holiday sweaters and spooky t-shirts for her Halloween, festive jewelry for the holidays, and it really brought a lot of joy to her students. So I wanted to create a collection that kind of emulated that. So we have this bracelet collection, which each bracelet features 3 different little charms. They're hand enameled, so you have a Christmas tree, a present, and an ornament, and then 4 sparkling colored crystals, and on the ends are really cool engraved or beads that have, like, these ones have hollies on it, and they're really great because they're adjustable, so they're really easy to get on and off. You cinch them in the back here. Plus, they come with free earrings. These have the little cute ornaments, perfect little studs to match. I hope you enjoy.